Disabling biometric login on your Xoom 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily turn off this feature. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your Xoom 2026 device. You can find this app in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Select Security. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on the Security option. This section contains all the settings related to device security, including biometric options. Step 3. Access biometric settings. Look for the Biometrics or Fingerprint section within the Security menu. Tap on it to access the settings related to biometric login methods. Step 4. Disable biometric login. You will see options for fingerprint or facial recognition. Tap on the option you wish to disable and then select Remove or Disable to turn off biometric login. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Now you have successfully disabled biometric login on your Xoom 2026. If you need further assistance, feel free to consult the user manual or support resources.